Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to talk about why Indian government need to do something about the crypto community that can change and bring revolution in the country itself and help to grow the economy of India. So why Indian government need to regulate the cryptocurrency? I am going to mention few points, and before mentioning some few points I am going to make you a formal disclaimer that I am not a financial or advisor or any type of investment suggestion. I am not giving this. I am giving you my own opinion that why Indian government should regulate the crypto community and how the Indian government will be benefit from the crypto community. The most important thing that Indian government need to know that the future is dependent on the blockchain technology. That means each and every sector of the country, even industry, will get revolutionized in the form of blockchain technology. And if you are talking about the blockchain technology, you cannot make any blockchain project without a cryptocurrency. And why it is important? Because if you want to remove the corruption from the country, you must have a blockchain based technology in each and every sector which will remove the corruption. And the main point government is talking about that they are going to implement the blockchain technology and implement the law which will support the innovation of blockchain technology. But without the cryptocurrency technology, you cannot implement a single blockchain technology. That is the first point. That's why Indian government need to regulate the cryptocurrency. The second point I like to say that what are the benefits that Indian government will make by regulating the cryptocurrency. Right now, approx 5 to 10 cryptocurrency exchanges are running into the India, and approx 10 million plus members are the crypto investor in India. So imagine if a government has regulated the cryptocurrency and each day on one single exchange there is minimum $20 million of trading is going on. So right now only 10 to 12 exchanges are there in India. So the number of exchange will increase, the trading volume will increase, and the revenue generated from the cryptocurrency will increase. And that revenue will go to the government. The government have opportunity that they can generate the revenue from the total exchange commission, the transaction commission, which is possible by the company. The second thing that company can implement crypto asset law. That crypto asset law can determine how many types of crypto and what are the use cases of crypto. They can implement the different types of use cases, tax implementation on the crypto. They can implement the customer protection law, which can protect the customer in the field of crypto and help the company and the industry to provide the services through the crypto. The third point that will help to grow the economy, that if government has a legal law according to the community, then it will be very easy for the whole world to take part into the growth of the economy of Indian country. Because without a much time killing, they can take part from all over the world in any sector of India. The blockchain would be the next coming thing that company would need, and they can generate anything. They can help to provide more and more services throughout the country. All the services that are now implemented, there is either something is where you can see there are lots of mishappening going on in each and every sector. So the corruption is the main thing that government needs to think about. So the customer protection law is very much important to implement for the crypto community. The third thing, the Right now, the 55% population of India do not have the access of banking services. But if they have the legal law of using the cryptocurrency, crypto community implementation, that 55% of the population can bring another revenue in the mainstream of the economy. The other things that companies are not accepting funds from the other country right now in a short period of time. So the exchange commission and the transaction period will reduce, which will increase the growth of the company industries in a very less time. So that is what important. The third thing, most of the countries has already implemented and started paying salaries into the form of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. And soon many other countries will also start implementing these services. But India is lacking behind in all those services. Why? Already Visa, MasterCard, PayPal has started providing the services of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So imagine if India has started providing the services of cryptocurrency through their RuPay card. The trillions of dollars of revenue will come directly into the Indian government through the RuPay card. That is what the benefit of implementing a crypto payment system through the RuPay card, which will generate the trillions of dollars in a very short period of times, which will help to grow the economy of country in a very short period of time. The regulation for the exchanges are very much necessary because there are very much bad actors, I will say bad actors in the crypto field, which is claiming that they are spreading the negativity in the community. So the hard regulation should be necessary to put them behind the bar so that no mishappening will happen to any Indian citizens. The blockchain is the revolution, and India is moving forward with the technology, and we need to move and be fast because we do not want India to be left behind like before. Because when Microsoft came, they had took 22 years to become the $1 trillion industry. Google also took approx 20 to 22 years to become $1 trillion industry. But the crypto community only took 8 to 10 years to become the $1 trillion industry. And in just 1 month, it is very close to 2 trillion industry. So this is how fast the whole world is adopting the cryptocurrency. And that is why India should also recognize the cryptocurrency and move forward positively so that it will help not only the Indian citizen but all the sector of India. Because the implementation of blockchain technology is required in each and every sector so that the corruption from each and every sector, each and every industry should get reduced. Imagine you are walking on the road, you are giving a pass to the side car, and for giving the pass you are getting paid. That is the blockchain technology service that we can implement. Imagine you are going to your house, switching on your bulb, and once you switch on the bulb, your account get paid. How do you feel? That is the vision that Indian developers are moving forward. But if the cryptocurrency regulation will be in the negative direction, the most of the positive development or innovation will get stopped, and the other country will take benefit of that, and this will necessary to regulate. And I hope the Indian government will look positive into this and move forward to regulate the cryptocurrency in a positive way, because this is not only one man things. This is the for the whole community where India can grow, and help all the country members to become the financial stable in each and every sector. Because as a government want to provide the huge numbers of jobs, but in the coming future the most number of jobs will be available in the blockchain field. So if you have not a legal regulation, how can you put the numbers of jobs which is implemented in the field of blockchain technology? And to implement the blockchain technology, you must have at least cryptocurrency technology. So if you are trying to stop private or public cryptocurrency, you cannot implement a single blockchain technology. That will reduce the job opportunity in India. So to increase the job opportunity in India, Indian government must need to implement a good positive regulation in India, so that not a single citizen in India get left behind from this opportunity. Innovation is moving forward. The big industries, the big leaders in the industry is taking part. Recently Tesla has already invented the $1.5 billion in the Bitcoin, and he has also invested in Dogecoin. So the big visionaries persons, entrepreneurs are taking part from all across the world. Microsoft is playing silently with the cryptocurrency. But why should India be left behind? So this is my request from the Indian government to please be positive and communicate with the industry leader. There are very good educated industry leaders which can provide them a very good solution to regulate the cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology, so that it will help to grow the economy of India. And not only it will help to grow the economy of India, it will provide the lots of numbers of jobs throughout the country. Most of the poor people will become financially free in coming future, and most of the services all across the world that is not coming into India will start coming into the India. The growth and the fund from outside the world, from outside the India, will start coming into the India. That will help to bring more money into the country, and which will help to grow the economy. So this is what I want to say. And with this note, I am going to shut this video down, and hoping that Indian government will look forward to see a positive regulation in the field of cryptocurrency, so that we as a crypto community member can provide more and more helping solution to all the Indian government, and we will move forward in a positive direction. So we are looking forward for the crypto asset law. We are looking forward for the customer protection law. We are also looking forward for the industrial sector law. We are also looking forward for the innovation sector law. So these are the things that I personally think that Indian government should do to implement the country in the field of technology. Thank you. This is the Ratan from India, hoping for the best regulation from the country, and this is my request, humble request. Please look into the crypto community, that this is the community that can help to provide lots of jobs opportunity in India and help the Indian citizen to become financially free in coming future with the innovation of blockchain technology. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.